Hey guys, it's Mickey. Why I recommend this body oil for people with sensitive, normal, and combination skin. Now, this oil has been tested and trusted. It's not just coming from an influencer. No. People who have patronized us for this Seville Orange can attest to the work of Seville Orange, which was formerly known as porcelain oil. So it's a tested and trusted body oil that not only lightens the skin, but gives you a youthful glow. Not only does it give a youthful glow, it also gives you a brightening polish. You want to take it to a party? Yes, you can. You use it in less than 2 weeks and you get a very good result. Now, you want to travel and you want your skin to be on fleek. You get me, flicky. This oil has got you. And the funniest thing about the oil, you don't need to do too much. No, don't need to do too much. Just include it or incorporate it alongside a scrub. Otito. Little goes a long way when using our Seville Orange. A very beautiful, brightening, polishing oil that does a lot of things on the skin. It does a lot of magic on the skin. So you can go right ahead to place your order on our website, which is www.mickeyskincare.ng, or on our WhatsApp page, which is +234 818 541 7558. I'm trying to remember if I got it. And the name is Seville Orange, formerly known as porcelain oil, but it's been called Seville Orange. It's a brightening, polishing oil, suitable for people with normal skin, sensitive skin, and combination skin. Don't forget that.